Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest chewy chocolate chip cookies. These are probably some of the best cookies you're going to eat. With this recipe, you can bake cookies right away and not have to wait to chill the dough. All the ingredients are very simple and so is the process. As always, you'll find the recipe link right below the video. Start with all-purpose flour, add salt, and baking soda. Whisk to combine. We'll also need white sugar, brown sugar, eggs, chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet. You can also use milk, dark, whatever you like. Vanilla extract and unsalted butter. This is cold butter that I just took out of the fridge. I'm gonna cut it up, put it in a cup, and melt it. So you don't even have to wait for softened butter in this recipe. It's just instant melted butter. Heat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius. To a large bowl, pour in the butter, add the white sugar and brown sugar. Mix that well with a hand mixer or just a wooden spoon. Since there's no soft butter to cream, it is easy to mix with a spoon. Add the eggs and vanilla extract. You want to mix that until creamy. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and add the all-purpose flour. Make sure your mixer is on low speed and thoroughly combine. Add the chocolate chips and mix that in. Lift up the beaters and keep the mixer on to get most of the dough off. Scrape down the sides and you've got the easiest creamy cookie dough. I like to use an ice cream scooper to get even-sized cookies. Have a parchment-lined baking sheet ready. With this recipe, you can bake cookies right away and not have to wait to chill the dough. I will show you the cookies using chilled dough after these are ready. Scoop the dough and form into a ball. Place 6 balls on the sheet tray. These will be big, chewy cookies, and this size works best with this recipe. Put the tray in the middle rack of your oven. It's hard to record audio with the birds. Put the tray in the middle rack of your oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the edges are just golden, not dark at all. I'll wrap and chill the remaining dough. The cookies should be light in color so they stay chewy and don't get crispy. I would definitely check at 12 minutes as oven temperatures vary. Mine took 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and place on a cooling rack. Leave the cookies on the tray for 2 to 3 minutes until you can slide them off without breaking them. They'll firm up slightly while sitting on the tray. The edges are lightly crispy, and to me this is the perfect cookie. The middle is just done and chewy, buttery, with the right amount of chocolate chips. If you put more chips, it's not a cookie anymore. It's just like eating melted chocolate, and you really do want to get the right balance of dough and chips. These have been sitting longer than the one I just showed you, and they've firmed up a bit more. Now for the chilled dough. Scooping will be a little bit harder. Roll them and put them on the parchment-lined sheet tray. Since these are firm, I press them gently, just a little bit so they bake evenly. These go in the same heated oven for about 17 minutes. They'll take longer since the dough is cold. The last 3 balls of dough, I had chilled these again so it is harder to scoop. Just pull the handle of the scooper apart and the dough will release. This recipe makes 15 large cookies. Our chilled dough cookies are done baking. Again, leave them on the tray on a cooling rack for about 2 minutes to firm up. Notice they're thicker than the first batch. They're so good. These are chewy, but less so than the first batch. If you want a thick, chewy cookie, chill the dough. If you want a thinner, chewy cookie, scoop and bake right away. Of course, the thicker ones definitely look better, but it's all about the taste for me, and I prefer the thinner ones. Make both and tell me which one you prefer. Subscribe for more easy recipes, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.